Apostle Arsenio Pariol, Ever-Dearest Administrator Mrs. Miriam Tico, dear teachers, guests, parents, fellow graduates, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. This evening's occasion marks a realization of a dream. It is the finale of our elementary life. It is a very significant event in our lives, especially to us, the fellow graduating students, for it gives us the opportune time to be happy, to stand with high regard, and to respect our own selves as we triumphantly march up the stage and receive the token of our toils. Trying to be honest with our feelings, we admit that the 6 long years we have spent in elementary is very tedious and really electoral struggles for all of us. However, amidst all the trials and sacrifices, we have overcome the challenges of elementary life. Indeed, our parents' hearts overwhelming with joy and excitement as they join us in celebrating our success. Happiness too beams from the faces of our mentors as they let us go to take the next step of our students' life. Aim high, always hit the mark, and put God first in everything we do, and He will direct and crown our efforts with success. A very simple gem, thought that serves as my guide and inspiration as I went through my elementary life. A guide that brought me to what I am today. I am very much humbled this evening in saying that in spite of all the rigors and adversities in life that I went through, it was the same gem that strengthened and inspired me to move on. I would like to encourage everyone to dream and work toward the realization of these dreams. Undoubtedly, education coupled with faith is a virtue force that changes a man into a real man. It is an important element that makes one a man fully armed with necessary knowledge, skills, and positive sense of values and work habits. My fellow graduating students, we are very fortunate for choosing Maranatha Christian Academy as our training ground. We have the best teachers who equip us not only the proper education, but about the spiritual guidance that lead us to become more productive and upright citizens of the Republic. With the academic excellence coupled with faith, we will always be an active partners in nation building. As I depart my alma mater, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our beloved Administrator Mrs. Miriam Tico for providing a conducive place for learning, for the faculty members, especially to the Grade 6 faculty, for sharing the portions of yourselves, and for the daily guidance. To my fellow graduates, good luck for all of us. And to my beloved parents who provide all my needs, for giving a real home filled with love, compassion, and understanding. I love you all. Without you, I can't be where I am right now. And without you, I can't achieve this. You're the best parents of the world. Thank you very much, and God bless us all.